Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum to all. I hope all of you are doing good. Alhamdulillah. I am so good by the mercy of Allah. So dear audience, after a long time I am in front of you. Today I would like to talk about the Porter 5 forces model. The Porter 5 forces model. So no more introduction, let's get started. The Porter 5 forces model. It's named according to the name of Michael E. Porter. Basically, the Porter 5 forces model used to know the company's strength and weakness. To know the strength and weakness of an industry. So, I'm gonna describe the 5 forces model. The first one is threat of new entry. Threat of new entrants. What is exactly threat of new entrants? Threat of new entrants, that means threat of new entry. Threat of new entry. The barriers of a company. When a company initially want to capture the market, when a new company want to create a new position in the market, they have some threats. Nobody know about their product specifications, nobody know about the company, so it's too tough to create a position on the market. That is threat of new entry for a company. The second one is the bargaining power of supplier. The bargaining power of supplier. Basically, a company operate by some suppliers. That means a company will supply some product from suppliers. So their suppliers have some power. It's depend on the company size. If I say as an example, an airplane company needs some parts. So ultimately they have to go equivalent their suppliers. They have a low suppliers because the suppliers of airplane are few in the country. So the suppliers are few. They have some power. The company do not want to do something for purchasing power. The supplier will charge high. On the contrary, just imagine for motorbikes need some parts. They have lots of suppliers. So their suppliers has low power. They will charge low. In the competition, if they want to achieve their targets, the suppliers must have charged low prices. But in airplane company, they will charge high because they have few suppliers. I hope you understand what exactly I want to say. The third one is the bargaining power of buyer. The bargaining power of buyer. It's similarly bargaining power of suppliers, like as the few customers of a product. The few customers of a product and the ultimate products are available on the market. At that time, the buyer, that means who are customer, they have some power. Why you will charge it high? Why you will charge it low? That means bargaining power of buyer. They will go another shop, another company, they will use another products. That means bargaining power of buyer. It will depend on the size of the company. It's size of the products. If you use the air conditioner, the products are company are few and the customers are few, and the company and the customers will not bargain more. But in a small size product, if you want to purchase in a shop like daily activities, then you will bargain with them. That means the bargaining power of buyer, it's depend on the size of company and depend on the size of the product. And the fourth one is the competitive rivalry. What is competitive rivalry? In the competition market, customers will get some preference. Just imagine when the more company doing competition on the market, they will get more offer. They will get more offer and customers will get this. Customer will get this. And low competition, in low competition on the market, the low competition on the market, the customers will not get the more preference from this, because companies are low, companies are few, and they have no competition. They just only create the uniqueness. They just create a high position. A few companies create this. Just as like as Apple, they will charge high. They will charge high prices for a product. That means the competitive rivalry. That means when the competition high on the market, the various company will offer more things. Then you will get more preference from them. And if the company do not, if the company's competition are low, then you will not get the preference. That is the competition rivalry. Hope you got it. And the last one is threat of substitute. Threat of substitute. As we know that customer is king, consumer is the king. That means we have power. We have power. I just want to say that threat of substitute. That means the availability of the product. The availability of the product. I will not purchase from you. I have various opportunity. I will purchase something from another company, another shop. The customers are the king. According to customer perception, company will provide some product specification, offer many things. That means company should aware of customer. Company should know what they exactly want customer. That's why I just want to say customers have more power. The availability of the product. If you just want to purchase the daily activities of product, then you will select a shop. Which one will give you the more offer? Which one will give you the low prices? Where you will get the more preference, more low price, you will go there. You will go there. As a customer, I just want to say that I have lots of power. I can go anywhere to purchase anything. That's the threat of substitute. In these steps, I just want to say that in this situation, every company should aware, and every company should know the consumer perception, what they exactly want. According to their perception, we have to make some product. According to their perception, if I just know that what they exactly want, then I will supply like this type of product. But if we don't know, then how we will capture the market, how we will achieve our target, how we will our business, how we will develop our business. That means consumer is the king. We have to understand the customer. That is threat of substitute. We have ultimate opportunity. We have ultimate opportunity to go anywhere, to purchase anything. That is the threat of substitute. That's all about the 5 forces model. I hope you understand. Actually, after a long time I'm making this video. That's why maybe I have some mistakes to deliver some speech. Actually, I am not an English teacher. Grammatically I have lots of mistakes that I know. the ultimate perspectives of an English, that is I will just teach you what exactly I want to say. If you got this, then I am successful. I'm not an English teacher. Okay, leave it. That's all about for today. Thanks for everyone for watching me. Allah Hafiz.